and today we are going to get information about history. And today's topic is importance of history. My dear students, in our previous lecture we got information about the history, and in that session we got information about the meaning of history and some other points. Today's our point is importance of history. My dear students, we all know that history is the science which gives us information about the past. By studying the past events, we can get information about some events and about some incidents which can help us and which can guide us about how should we behave to shape our future. That is information which we read or studied from the past. By referring that all the information, we can get the kind of guidelines which are most important for us to shape our future. Means if we want to become something in our life, then how should we develop and what we have to do to shape our future, which kind of problems may be occur that we learn from the past. Just like experience is the best teacher. The past incidents gives us experience, and the persons who make some mistakes in their life, that mistakes we cannot repeat in our life. For that, history help us, and that guidelines we can utilize for shaping our future. The another importance of history, we can say that by telling the lifestyle of great people, history inspires us and motivates us. Just like in our history, we learn about the great souls, just like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Swami Vivekananda, and some other great personalities who gave the big contribution in our ancient culture. So, after learning that incident, people can get the motivation, and this motivation is most important to create the future. These stories inspire us. Just like the contribution of Mahatma Gandhi, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, then in the modern history, Subhash Chandra Bose, and some other freedom fighters who gave the important role to make India independent, like that way by reading their literature, by reading their autobiographies, people can be motivated, people can be inspired. And this inspiration is most important to create our future, to develop ourselves. That's why we can say that history is the important science. Again, history can give us the principle. History gives us some principle, just like give and take. History teaches the policies. If we want to respect, then we have to give the respect. If we want something, then we must have the ability to give something. If you want to take, then you have to give something to the other. So this give and take policy we can understand, we can learn from the history. That's why this is the third feature that can we say history is an important science. Then we can get information about the civilization, progress and changing social, political and economic sphere. By learning history, we can get information about the ancient civilization. Just like Indus Valley civilization is the ancient civilization which was exist before the 4700 years ago BCE. By studying this kind of civilization, we can understand how the society was prosperous on that time before 4700 years from today's time. That's why we can imagine that how much development we have to take today for creating the change and for achieving the developmental goals in our today's life. That's why history is an important mindset. History is not a particular subject. Every village, every city, every district, every state, every nation also has its own history. Just like how the village is formed, how the country is formed, how the states are formed, there are lots of circumstances behind that. there are lots of incidents behind that which give the birth to this kind of cities, villages and countries. By studying history we can understand this type of process. Again, even Earth also has its own history, just like about the continents, how these different continents are formed. We say that there are 7 continents on the Earth. But how these 7 continents are formed? There is the theory. There are lots of theories behind that. How the continents are formed, how the mountains are formed, how the oceans are formed. Means history is not a particular subject which gives us only about the past society's information. But history is the vast subject through which we can get information about the science also. Even science also has its own history. For learning the science, history is most important. Just like today, we are enjoying the life in the 21st century. Today's age is the robotic age, scientific age, and this is the development took place due to the scientific development. But how the scientific developments took place, to study that, we need to study the history. Isn't that? Just like today we travel from one country to another country with the help of aeroplanes and other means of transportation. But how these transportations, means of transportations invented, that also we can get with the help of history. Just like aeroplane was invented by Wright brothers. Isn't that? There are several inventions took place in the field of science. To study that kind of evidences or inventions, we need a history. We cannot separate history from other subject, because history is a social subject, and wherever we can find a society or human beings, there we need to learn the history. So history is the vast subject which it has a lots of importance in our life. I hope you all understood the importance of history. For today, this much only. Thank you.